When there are rallies taking place in our area tonight. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live at Foley Square with more on a large demonstration that took place there. Alice.
Abortion rights supporters gathered here in Foley Square by the thousands. They have since left and taken to the streets and are currently marching. Many shared their personal stories with us.
Whose body? Our bodies! Whose body? Our bodies!
It's still legal, though. It hasn't happened yet. So there's a reason to be inspired, but there's also a reason to be outraged.
Here in Foley Square, abortion rights supporters say they can't believe they're having to demonstrate about this in 2022, but also aren't surprised.
Because of the balance of the Supreme Court.
Angela Fremont says she had an illegal abortion in Alabama in 1969.
Took me down a dirt road in Birmingham, Alabama, and she had a shack with 3 dogs that had been locked up inside. There was urine on the floor.
Her fear is that other women might have to go through the same thing without access to safe abortion.
So I started to hemorrhage, and I became septic.
Here in New York, abortions are protected under state law. Same goes for New Jersey. And Connecticut is about to sign protections into law. Supporters here say they want to be a voice for those who may not have access in other states.
The reality is that women who can afford to have abortions, safe abortions, they will continue to do that.
C. Virginia Fields is president and CEO of the National Black Leadership Commission on Health and former Manhattan Borough president. She says this would affect low-income women most of all.
Women are going to go underground. They're going to have abortions. Poor women.
She too fears some could die or face serious health complications, and also
giving birth to children that they don't want, putting them up for adoption, or throwing them in the trash cans, as we have seen far too many times.
But anti-abortion supporters, like the president of the Susan B. Anthony list, counter and praise the court, saying this would protect unborn children and honor women.
Aborting the child in a moment of difficulty for a mom doesn't necessarily solve, and in fact just builds upon the problems that she is experiencing.
The CEO of Planned Parenthood Greater New York says already patients from states with restrictions like Texas are traveling here to New York for procedures. We are live in Foley Square in Lower Manhattan. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Alice, thank you.